My name's Lisa, and I've been a holistic master esthetician for almost 4 decades. I'm 56 years old, and I have never done anything invasive to my skin. So that means no needles, no procedures. I wear no foundation and concealer, and dermatology asked me if I would show you how I teach my clients how to do Gua Sha. So you want to start with clean skin. I like to exfoliate and clean my skin, and believe it or not, I have all of my serums on and my moisturizer. Then I use my favorite oil. I take that oil, I'll put it on my skin like so, and just work it around. And then I grab my Gua Sha tool. Now you'll see so many different tools out there. I happen to use this rose quartz tool that is really shaped a little bit like a heart. Now you typically start at the back of the neck. You take your Gua Sha stone at this edge, you start at the base of your neck, and you will move up at a smooth area up to the bottom of your scalp. 1, 2, and 3. Once you've done your neck, you'll start at your shoulder, and again, always keep your Gua Sha at an angle and use a soft touch to start when you're starting Gua Sha. Go right up to the base of your ear or your jaw, shake 3 times, 2, 3, and you're getting blood flowing. 1, 2, and 3. Then take your Gua Sha at this angle and start at your, just below your neck. 1, 2, and 3. And now we're going to move to the face. Start right at your chin, keep it at an angle, and remember, have somewhat of a soft touch. Go to your ear and shake. I like to go to the other side. And then you will start right under your cheek and do the same thing. Now I do Gua Sha every single night to my face, and I have for decades. 3. Then under the eye, I like to use this soft edge and just gently 1, to your temple, 2, and 3. And now the other side. 2, and 3. Now you can go to what they call your middle eye, and you will take the edge of the Gua Sha here at the top of your nose, and you'll just go 1, 2, and 3. Now take your Gua Sha at this angle, starting where your middle eye is, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. I also like to lift the eyebrow. You will get right underneath it. 1, shake again. Wherever you're stopping, you're shaking about 3 times. After doing Gua Sha, you can tap your skin, you can push your skin up or your muscles and get all that blood flowing. And that is one example of how to use a Gua Sha. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you stay beautiful naturally.